Hi everyone, I'm Rook and I'm going to be showing you how to touch up your makeup featuring all L'Oreal Paris products. Let's get started. We're going to start off with concealer because I feel like this is the perfect base for you to start with when you are touching up your makeup. We're going to use the True Match Radiant Serum Concealer. This is a hyaluronic acid infused concealer with medium coverage that neutralizes dark circles and visibly depuffs under eye bags. She's very skincare forward and that's what we're looking for, especially when you're touching up your makeup. I'm going in with the shade W6. We're going to apply this very lightly because we don't want to overdo it. We already have makeup on the face. We're just doing a touch up. So you're just going to go very lightly to be able to just do a light touch up. I love how lightweight this feels. The blendability is amazing. And that's also why I chose it to use for a makeup touch up, because you need something that's super blendable to really just elevate what you already have going on. Just make you look a little bit more fresh and revitalized. That's the goal. It also contains caffeine to help depuff. And I'm already seeing that because I was looking a little bit tired. It provides 24 hours of hydration. You can really feel that. And the biggest part is that it doesn't settle into fine lines and creases. Now we need to add a little bit more color to the face. So we're going to use the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Blush. Not only is this going to be perfect for us because it has a blendable formula, but the color and the pigment that it gives is so beautiful. It is such a super blendable powder blush with a soft texture and it goes on smooth every single time. I'm just going to take a little brush, tap off the excess and apply. I chose the shade W5-6 because I felt like it would add the perfect warmth to this look. I love how buildable it is. And apply it here to the nails. Again, just to add a little bit more color into the skin, to really just make it look like you just did your makeup, even though you're just doing a touch up. Look at that beautiful glow and finish. I love it. Now we need to wake up these lashes a little bit. That's really gonna set this off, especially whenever you're doing a makeup touch up. But you want a really good mascara that's not gonna leave you clumpy. And that's why we're gonna use the L'Oreal Telescopic Original Washable Mascara. This is one of the best mascaras, hands down. The reason I love this mascara so much is because it enhances your lashes with intense length and unique lash by lash separation. This spoolie is designed so wonderfully because it really helps you get into each individual lash. We've lengthened the lashes even more, no clumps, they look a little bit more bright and alive and fresh. Literally a must-have for makeup touch-up. Now let's touch up these lips. This is the color Riche lip liner in the shade Worth It. We're gonna take this to redefine the lips and to give us a fresh start. I love how perfectly this lip liner defines your lips. It's anti-feathering and it provides such a rich color. A little pro tip is that when you're doing your line, take it into the lip itself to blend out that line so it's not too harsh. This liner is also infused with omega-3 and vitamin E, so it gives such a nice and creamy feel. Now we're gonna go in with the Plump Ambition Hyaluron Lip Oil on top. This is just gonna really set this off. I'm using the shade Latte Glace because I felt like it would be a perfect complement to this. This is a volumizing lip oil with 24 hours of hydration. Now I love the cushiony pillow applicator with the massaging beads because it gives you the most luxurious application. It's infused with hyaluronic acid and tripeptides for instant smoother and plumper looking lips. Just gonna go lightly with this right on top of everything and let it do its magic. Love it. To make sure all of this is set, we're gonna go in with the Infallible Blurfection Longwear Loose Setting Powder. This Longwear Loose Setting Powder instantly brightens and blurs up to 24 hours. Transfer resistant, flashback resistant, and talc free. I'm tapping this into the cap so I can access all the powder, and then I'm gonna take the brush, dip and apply. It's such a light and airy powder. I love it. It's gonna help me control shine. So I like to hit the under eyes because with this particular setting powder, it helps to brighten and just make you look more alive. Last but not least, to make sure we lock this in, we're gonna go in with the Infallible 3-second setting spray, a microfine mist for up to 36 hours wear in just one spray. Complete. I love that it's transfer and sweat resistant and it feels incredibly lightweight. There's no dry time because it's an aerosol spray. It's gonna make sure all that hard work that you did stays in place. And there you have it. If you wanna learn more about these products and find out where to buy, head to l'orealparisusa.com. Links are below.